Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to log into GEM Visa account. GEM Visa is a credit card offered by GE Money in Australia. It provides its card holders with a line of credit to use at participating retailers and online merchants. Apart from that, you can also enjoy various benefits and rewards such as flexible payments, interest-free periods, and so much more. To log into your GEM Visa credit card, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up your web browser. In the search box, type in www.gemvisa.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, click the login link at the top right hand corner. In the login area, type in your username and password associated with your account. If you've forgotten your username, you can click the forgot your username link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for your username. Once you provide a username, type in your password on the next field. Also, if you don't remember your password, click on this link that says forgot your password and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. After filling in the details, click the login button in order to log into your GEM Visa credit card. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.